Some things a commercial property may go through due to water damage, they're going to be up against having to reroute their employees, reroute customers. So they got a lot of moving parts they're going to be up against, and we're here to help them. So when you have like a big industrial space for the fire sprinklers, a lot of extraction. You might have one extraction truck, that's not going to work. You're going to need to have relationships with other vendors, so it's nice for those large projects to get it done as efficiently possible to get that business up and running. Help them out as much as you can. So orchestrate around their business to keep it moving. So depending on the size, if it's a small job, the reaction time is going to feel quicker. If it's a large job, it's going to come in waves. Depending on the size of your business, you're going to have one and a spare on-call team. So you might have 3 or 4 people on call. Then you just have to get as many hands on deck, especially if it's an emergency, to help move contents, to help mitigate as much as you can at the beginning, and then start doing what you need to do to get the job to dry and cleaned up properly.